It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. If you have Xianyu shopping app or iDoFi shopping app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, or you find it difficult to navigate on the app because of language barrier, consider to watch the video from beginning to the end and see how you can actually use Xianyu shopping app or iDoFi shopping app in English language. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Xianyu shopping app to import from China without any stress. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply use your Xianyu Chinese shopping app in English. So let's find out. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Alipay. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Alipay. So I want to believe that for everyone that have a Xianyu app on their phone, they must have Alipay because the two accounts work together. So from your Alipay right here, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here, click on account. Then next thing you need to do is to click on setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to general. The next thing you need to do is to go to translation 2. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Once you turn it on, then here, make sure English is checked by default. You can see right here, English is checked. So next thing you want to do is to simply go back to Alipay home page. Go back to home page right here. On getting to home page, then click on the search engine right here. The next thing you need to do is to type in Xianyu App. Then hit on search. Then allow it to load up. Next thing you need to do is to click on this first result right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now here, you can simply see your translate icon right here. Simply tap on the translate icon, and in a few seconds, everything will be translated into English language. And one great thing about this is that the more you scroll down, the more apps, the more product is loaded up, and instantly it translates it into English language, just like what you see right here automatically. It's that simple. Now, if you click on any of the products right here, let's say for instance, I click on this particular product right here. Let's check it out. And it's going to open up like so, and instantly it will also translate the whole page into English language, just like what you see right here. Then you can simply read the product details right here, and then scroll down right here and check on every information about the page. So just like what I said, the more you scroll down, the more other products is going to load up in the sales page and also automatically translate into English. That's it. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.